In a city called Sundarnagar, there lived a man named Ramesh with his wife Geeta and two daughters Radha and Sita. Ramesh had a good job, but his parents lived in the village. They loved farming, so they continued farming. After finishing their farming work, they would often come to stay with Ramesh in the city for a few days. One night, Ramesh was talking to Geeta.
Geeta, my parents are coming tomorrow. You remember, right? Please take good care of them. Also, wake me up early in the morning so I'm not late picking them up.
Yes, I'll take care of them properly. They won't feel any lack of comfort. After all, they farm only for our sake. And before you even said it, I already set an alarm on my mobile.
Oh wow, you have become so smart these days.
Hearing this, Geeta smiles and lies down on the bed looking at her phone. Ramesh also gets busy with his phone. Radha and Sita are very happy to hear that their grandparents are coming. Next morning, Ramesh leaves to bring his parents and returns home with them. After settling them in, he gets ready and leaves for office. I hope your journey wasn't tiring. Now you both take some rest. Radha and Sita will wake up and get ready soon. In the evening, after returning from work, Ramesh chats with everyone and they all have dinner together. As soon as the dinner is done, he gets busy on his phone. Geeta also picks up her phone after finishing the kitchen work. Radha and Sita, who played with their grandparents all day, now sit to study. Grandma, can you help me with my studies? I'll feel good. No one helps us with homework. Papa is always on his phone after office. And Mama also sits with her phone once she finishes her work. Now Grandma starts helping Radha and Grandpa starts teaching Sita. Every day, they help the girls with studies. They notice that the girls' homework is always incomplete. From the next day, Grandpa starts observing what Ramesh and Geeta do. Soon, he understands everything. Because of the phone, Ramesh doesn't spend time with his daughters. And Geeta also sits with her phone after work. Even the girls eat food while using mobile after school. Seeing all this, Grandpa gets very angry and says to Grandma,
Look dear, how much this family has changed because of phones. Now we must do something. They are not even giving time to each other because of mobile phones.
Yes, you are absolutely right. It was Ramesh's day off. While playing, Sita talks to her father. Papa, do you know, there's a girl named Sharda in my school who always troubles other girls. Sita was telling Ramesh more about Sharda. But Ramesh wasn't listening at all. Sita feels bad. She thinks to herself, I'll tell Mama instead. Sita goes to her mother to tell this and she says, Mama, I was telling Papa about Sharda, but he didn't listen at all. Sita starts crying after saying this. Geeta says, Sita, why are you crying over this? Maybe Papa is doing something important? You're absolutely right, Mama. Both you and Papa are same, only care about your phones. You don't need me and Radha at all. Saying this, she runs to her room crying. Grandpa and Grandma see her crying and come there. Ramesh is also sitting nearby. Then Grandpa calls out loudly,
Ramesh, come here.
Seeing Grandpa so angry, Ramesh rushes to him. Geeta also puts her phone down and, walking behind, she comes and stands beside Ramesh. Ramesh says,
What happened, father? Why are you so angry? Did we do something wrong? You are asking what went wrong? We have been watching everything since we came. Our lovely granddaughters, no one even notices them.
Ramesh looks angrily at Geeta, but Grandpa says,
Don't look angrily at Geeta. It's not just her fault. You are equally to blame. Have you ever spoken lovingly to your daughters after work? Have you helped them with their studies? Do you even look at them? It's always mobile, mobile and mobile. Do you even remember the world outside that? But father, not a word from you, Ramesh.
Ramesh and Geeta go quiet. Then Grandpa continues.
Geeta, you are home all day. Have you ever checked what homework the girls got? Have you ever seen if they completed it or not? Did you ask your in-laws if they need anything? Or spoken to a relative in all these days? Forget all that. Your daughter was trying to talk to you and you had no time to listen. Don't you both see how much distance has grown between you two?
Hearing their father's words, both Ramesh and Geeta feel very bad. That night, they keep thinking about what Grandpa said. The next morning, they both go to Grandpa's room.
Father, please forgive us. We couldn't sleep all night. You made us realize that it's okay to use a phone, but not so much that we lose our loved ones.
From that day, Ramesh and Geeta started spending evenings with their daughters. On holidays, they helped them study. They began meeting friends again. And after the girls went to bed, they would use their phones a little. Now, everyone lived happily together. This story teaches us that too much of anything, even something useful, can harm our lives and our happiness.